Positive, encouraging K-Love. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
Four 412-373-2000.
Hey, Crowley here, 93.7 The Fan is here at the Penn. Features teams from the United States, Germany, Mexico, Japan, and Nicaragua. Come check it out. Tickets only $8 for adults, $5 for kids 14 and under. It's fun for the whole family. Tickets and info.
The KDKA